Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. As you see, this is Sony's Walkman. Well, there is no such a product today, right? Yeah. Well, model shooting, and this is not for Sony, this is for just product shot. Well, this is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image, which is pretty nice illustration, I think. I saw this illustration first, then I decided to use today's subject. Well, let's get started. Since this is pop art type image to me, so I want to make something pop background. So let's try it. Start from painting, then add some background, maybe. Well, I'm gonna move this empty layer, go all the way top. Let's look for some background. Let's see. Look for brush, some kind of pattern. If I can find, this is pretty interesting pattern. Look at this. Maybe this is one. Pop color. Well, that's kind of fun. Create empty mask. Now I'm gonna mask some area. It's basic to soft round opacity. Soft round size flow. That will make real soft edge. Okay, that's for now. Pop background. Now I want to go colorize these models. Okay, this is for background. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to duplicate this layer, base image, then hue saturation effect underneath this, only this layer, then saturation go down all the way 100 minus 100 to take all the colors out, and then merge down. Alright, I'm going to turn it off, this base image, base color image. Then I'm going to add another layer and change blend mode to color. Now I'm gonna paint on with basic to soft round opacity. As always, now go for skin tone first. Just overall rough. Okay, let's see. Alright, go for her makeup. Since she's a young girl, maybe more natural makeup, huh? Well, let me turn it off, this background. I don't see around here. Okay, nice skin tone, I think. Go for, well, their costume, huh? See this background. I'm gonna add some more color on skin tones. A little bit just more darker. Maybe I can touch with the, let's see, sketching pencil. Oh, this is color, right? Okay, I'm gonna add one more layer for these pencils. Alright, now I'm going to add one more layer over this. Okay, one more layer, and now this time I'm going to use watercolor. Watercolor wash flat, pastel blue and pink. Let's see, I don't see much, huh? Turn it off. Oh, we see some. Okay, same way. Change color to pastel pink. Okay, now let me see. Copy mask, then paste mask. Okay, let's see. Move this watercolor background. Move up. Alright. Okay. And maybe, and let's see, one more layer under this pencil drawing type image. Then I'm gonna fill this layer with white texture layer. Now make mask, create empty mask. Then review. Well, review with, let's see. Okay, pastel square. Okay, well, colorize and adding background pattern. This is it for today, and I want to continue to make something, some kind of more illustration type image from this. And also I have this pencil drawing type image. Maybe change it to, I don't know, maybe overlay, or maybe pin light or luminosity effect to make something creative image. Well, that's for tomorrow. Just turn it off right now. Then this is one of the variation of this kind of fun image. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. Kind of fun to add some colors, and yeah, having fun, and let's be creative. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.